from turning this into this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to edit your video with Kinemaster using chroma key and how I did my channel intro. Open up your Kinemaster and click on the project and you choose 16:9 and you click on OK. Then you go to your media, import your background. So I'll be clicking on the background I have on my phone. I'm going to be choosing this. Then you expand the background to the length of the video you're putting in. So let's bring in the video. You're going to bring in the video by clicking on layer and click on the media and check for your video from your phone. I'm using this video, crop it, so I'm going to use only one side. This, so I'm going to expand it the way I want, and I'm going to shift it, and crop it, and click on OK. So I have my video and the background set. So all I'm going to do is check if my video and the background are of the same length. So I'm going to reduce this by clicking on the background, click on the scissors and trim to right playhead. Okay, so the background and the picture are now of the same size. So click on the video and go to chroma key and enable it. I can either adjust it like this by clicking on this, I'm going to go ahead and adjust my video from the background in order not to cover the flash screen. Okay, so it's been set now, so let's play and try it out. Back to my channel, cherishcoco. If this is your first time on this channel, don't forget. Okay, our video is saved and is ready. Okay, so this is it, and check the video. Next thing you need to do is click on the export it in the resolution you want. So I'm going to leave it on the high resolution and click on export.